YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be discussing the student loan forgiveness applications. They finally did go ahead and drop those. They did drop yesterday, Friday, I want to say around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now I did try and go on there and apply, but it's like the website kept crashing, I guess because everybody figured out that the application was finally live and they kind of flooded the net. But I did go ahead and get up this morning and go ahead and go on the website, studentaid.gov, and apply. And my application was accepted and processed today. So I'm here to let you guys know how you can go ahead and take advantage of that student loan forgiveness application, which it is available now. It is just, they said, the beta version for testing. But once you do submit it, you don't have to submit it again once the application process itself actually goes live on the 17th of October, which is this coming Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start screen recording, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the side. Once again, I don't know what side I'm going to put the clip on, but it'll be on one of the sides. I went to Google and I Googled student loan forgiveness application. It'll be the first option that pops up at the studentaid.gov. Okay, when you go on the website, you'll see the link to go ahead and apply now for the loan debt relief forgiveness, the beta version. It lets you know they're accepting applications. It'll let you know that if you submit an application, it will be processed when the form officially launches and you won't need to resubmit. They say it takes about 5 minutes and you don't need to provide any documentation or anything. It only took me like 2 minutes. It lets you know how much you can get, up to $20,000 in debt relief. But we're gonna scroll back up and click the link to go ahead and apply. So this is the application for debt relief. Once again, it lets you know you may get up to $20,000. It lets you know who qualifies, how much you had to make in 2020 or 2021. So it lets you know you can apply today, but no later than December 31st, 2023. So you do have quite some time to go ahead and apply to get the loan forgiveness, but I'd say sooner rather than later. So this is the information that they're going to need. They're just going to need your name, first and last name. Middle name is optional. Ask you for your social security number. It's going to ask you to put your social security number in twice just to confirm, and also your date of birth. It's going to need your phone number, your email, and to confirm your email. Simple standard information. After you've put that information in, you scroll down, and once again lets you know that you can receive up to $20,000 in relief. It lets you know your income and everything that you need to have made in 2020 and 2021. Again, it asks you for your first and last name, and middle initial is optional. It asks you to check the box that you certify under perjury of the law that you are providing correct and true information as far as like your name, the simple basic information that you applied above. All right, now after that, you just go ahead and click submit, and you should receive an email. Super simple, super quick. Once you go ahead and submit your application and you receive the email, I'll put that on the screen. This is what you'll receive. It'll let you know that your application has been received. All right, so it's gonna let you know that your application has been submitted for the one-time student loan debt relief. It'll say we'll process your application. We'll contact you if we need additional information. We'll keep you updated along the way. Get more information about student loan debt relief. And then the standard beware of scams at the bottom, which you should definitely read that and pay attention to that, because people do be trying to scam doing anything, which all this information is free. You don't need assistance because, as you see, you don't need anything but basic information that you'll know, and it takes literally about 2 minutes. So shout out to Moneybag Joe for go ahead and dropping this student loan relief on it, because I can definitely use some student loan relief. I don't know about y'all, but thanks Moneybag Joe. All right, you guys, so make sure you go online to studentaid.gov and submit your application for student loan forgiveness, because I mean, if you can receive up to $20,000, I don't know why you wouldn't. But that's the end of this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them down below in the comment section. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure before you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click the thumbs up button, click the like button if you did enjoy this video. Also, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you are notified anytime I upload a new video.